everyone. My name is Miss Katie, and I'm so excited to be back with another story time for you guys. Today, my story time is going to be all about vegetables. I want all of you guys to think, what is your absolute favorite kind of vegetable? Well, for me, my favorite is probably cauliflower, although I like almost all the different kinds of vegetables. Before we get started with our books and our songs, let's do our welcome song, which is the Glasses Song. Everyone get out their pair of glasses. Very nice. And a book. All right, let's open it up and see what's inside our book. Ooh. Oh my goodness. It's a pink dinosaur. Close your book. Let's look inside again. Let's open it. Ready? Ooh. Oh my goodness, it's a purple snake. Close that book. All right, are you guys ready to sing? These are my glasses. This is my book. I put on my glasses and open up the book. Now I read, 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 and I look, look, look. I take off my glasses and whoop, close up the book, and whoop, close up the book. Very good job, you guys. I think we are ready to get started. And before we do our first book, I think we should do a rhyme to get us all ready. This is about peas, because our first book is also about peas. And I want you to get out your five little pea fingers. All right? 5 little peas in a pea pod pressed. 1 grew, 2 grew, and so did all the rest. They grew and they grew and they would not stop until one day the pod went pop. Let's try that one more time. 5 little peas in a pea pod pressed. 1 grew, 2 grew, and so did all the rest. They grew and they grew and they would not stop until one day the pod went pop. Very good job. All right, I think we're all in a pea mood now. Here is my first book. This is with permission from Simon & Schuster. It's called Little Green Peas by Keith Baker. Blue. Blue boats, blue seas, blue flags, and little green peas. Red fences, red trees, red kites, and little green peas. Yellow. Yellow buses and bumblebees. Yellow sun and little green peas. Orange. Orange balloons, orange umbrellas, orange bubbly drinks, and little green fellas. Green. Green vines, green leaves, green sprouts, and baby green peas. Purple mountains, purple skis, purple mittens, and little green peas. Silver. Silver coins, silver keys, silver plates, and little green peas. White and black. White stars, black skies. Look! What's that? Little green guys. The end. This whole series of books is one of my favorites. They have alphabet books, month books, and of course the color book here. It's a great, great series by Keith Baker. All right, another type of vegetable that I really like is zucchini, and we are going to do a song about zucchini. This is one where I'm going to say it, and then you can repeat it back with me, and it's called green zucchini. Green zucchini, I love green zucchini. Green zucchini, I love it the best. Do you like it on your head? Yes, I like it on my head, on my head, on my head. Oh, green zucchini, I love green zucchini. Green zucchini, I love it the best. Do you love it on your nose? Yes, I love it on my nose, on my nose, on my nose. Whoa, green zucchini, I love green zucchini. Green zucchini, I love it the best. All right, let's do one more. Do you like it on your arms? Yes, I like it on my arms, on my arms, on my arms. Oh, green zucchini, I like green zucchini. Green zucchini, I like it the best. Very good. Thank you for doing that one with me. And we have one more book that I would like to share with you today, and this one is about some carrots. It is called Creepy Carrots. This is with permission from Simon & Schuster, and it is by Aaron Reynolds with pictures by Peter Brown. Jasper Rabbit had a passion for carrots, and the carrots that grew in Crackenhopper Field were the best. Fat, crisp, and free for the taking. He pulled some for a morning snack on the way to school. He yanked out a few on his way to Little League practice. He ripped them from the ground on his way home at night. Jasper couldn't get enough carrots. Until they started following him. He first noticed something strange after the big game against the East Valley Hares. Jasper was about to help himself to a victory snack when he heard it. The soft, sinister tunk, tunk, tunk of carrots creeping. He turned, but there was nothing there. Just my imagination, he thought, but he hopped a little faster. That night, as he was brushing his teeth, there they were! Jasper whipped around, but nothing. He laughed at himself, picked his toothbrush off the floor, and went to bed quickly. The next morning, he approached Crackenhopper Field slowly. He reached for 2 wild carrots. Nothing happened. He bit into one. Nothing happened. Phew! Creepy carrots! It was ridiculous. But when he arrived home that evening, Mom! Mom! Jasper screamed, creepy carrots in the shed! His mom opened the door slowly. There weren't any carrots, not even the regular kind. There are no such thing as creepy carrots, Mom said, shaking her head. Later that night, as Jasper lay in bed, he heard it. Breathing. Terrible, carroty breathing. And there, on his wall, creepy carrots! He shouted, Dad! Dad! His dad thumped to his bedroom and threw on the light. They searched under the bed. No creepy carrots. They looked through the closet. No creepy carrots. They opened the dresser drawers. No creepy carrots. Just a bad dream, son, his dad said, shaking his head. Now go to sleep. That wasn't going to happen. By the end of the week, Jasper was seeing creepy carrots creeping everywhere. Jasper knew his parents were wrong. Creepy carrots were real, and they were coming for him. But they couldn't get him if they couldn't get out. Jasper hatched a plan. First thing Saturday, he grabbed supplies and headed to Crackenhopper Field. He's putting a lot of work into this. As the sun finally set across Crackenhopper Field, Jasper Rabbit smiled. On his way home, there was no thunk thunk thunk. There were no carrot-shaped shadows. His plan had worked. No creepy carrots would ever get out of that carrot patch again. And as the sun finally set, the carrots of Crackenhopper Field cheered! Their creepy plan had worked. They were sure of it. Jasper Rabbit would never get into that carrot patch ever again. The end. All right, you guys, thank you so much for sharing these books with me, and I hope to see you all at the library very soon. Until then, let's do our goodbye song. It's time to say goodbye to all my friends. Yes, it's time to say goodbye to all my friends. Yes, it's time to say goodbye. Give a smile and wink an eye. Yes, it's time to say goodbye to all my friends. Goodbye.
Hi, this is Christina from Y Library. With our kids so busy with e-learning and playing outside, here's a fun snack that I think you'll enjoy. It's called Jiggly Banana Split. Okay, let's get started. First, we're going to need 1 banana, about 3 gelatin snack cups, any flavor, with or without fruit, whatever you have available at home, about 2 tablespoons of whipped topping, some colored sprinkles, and maraschino cherry. Okay, first let's peel the banana and cut it lengthwise. Then place the banana on a serving dish. Make sure the dish is big enough to fit all our ingredients. Then take the gelatin out of the cups and line it up in between the 2 slices of banana. Add some whipped topping on top of the gelatin. Add some colorful sprinkles and top it with a cherry or 2. I hope you enjoy that. Thank you.